Welcome, Namaste, Vanakkam. I am happy to meet you all through this YouTube channel Learn with Julie. In this video, I will share few tips for you how to study in a better way. You might be worrying about your studies. These simple steps will help you learn in a better way. These tips I share with students wherever I got chance to interact with them. Many of you have a question in your mind, why should I study? This is common for every student. Why should I study? Why do parents and teachers always tell me to study? Here are a few points I want you to know why you should study. You gain confidence from the subjects, and it is for qualifying a particular class. You increase your knowledge and you become more powerful. You will find out what you want to do with your life. If you study, your interests expand and you will have more career options. The knowledge you gained can be used throughout your life regardless of the career path that you choose. So don't think that whatever you learn now, it will be a waste. It will never be. Languages and other subjects definitely going to help you one day. Now let us see the 7 A's of study tips. In these coming slides, I want to say about these 7 A's of study tips which make you a successful student. First, studious mind. Second, study materials. Third, study plan. Fourth, study time. Fifth, study place. Sixth, study environment. Seventh, start studying. Let's see one by one. First thing, a student should have a studious mind. Usually, students, we don't want to study anything, and study becomes a burden for some of us. But if at all you want to be a successful student, you should have a strong determination. Without a strong determination, you just cannot start anything. So first and foremost thing to be a successful student is to have a studious mind. A strong will to achieve the goal is crucial for studies. As the old proverb says, where there is your will, there is your way. You will get all other things related to studies when you have a strong will and strong mind. Now let us see the second thing that is very important, study materials. Without these things, a student cannot go further. So you will have some very important study materials like textbooks, notebooks, then you will have reference books, and you should have e-content. It may be many online materials, YouTube videos and other things that will constitute e-content. Now I want you to take to the next one, that is you should have a study plan. Without plan, it is very difficult to proceed further. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. So you must have a proper plan, proper study timetable. It may be for a day-wise timetable, week-wise or month-wise. This will cover everything, every subject, even any test which will come in the month or in that particular week, or any assignments which should be completed. All these things should have in your study plan, and that should be in a calendar-like thing. It should be in front of you. This is very crucial for your studies. Next thing, it is study time. As we planned earlier, weekly or monthly, this timetable, it is very crucial for your everyday studies. You should have a proper time and proper timetable. Daily timetable is it's a must. Following this timetable is also very much important. This timetable is mainly for self-study. This is in addition to what you learn at school or tuition or in the online classes. This will be very crucial for your preparation for your board exam or your this year final exam or any competitive exam. This study time you have to decide on your own. This is very crucial. Next important thing I want to say, that is study place, a proper study place. The study place is very much important, and you should have a separate place for studies, a room with proper lighting, chair, table, etc. And you should have study material easily available in that particular room, and your study place should be properly organized. If separate room is not available, you should have a separate corner in your room, and that should be allotted only for you, so that you will get all the things necessary for your studies. Next important thing, you should have a proper study environment, a conducive physical environment, a calm and stable mental environment, a distraction-free environment. This, I need not say much about this distraction. You should avoid all type of physical distractions and mental distractions. So many distractions are there nowadays. A good student, he must keep away all the distractions. I am not saying you should leave everything. There is particular time for each and everything you will have, because nowadays gadgets are very much important for online classes. But after using them, when you sit for studies, you should keep all the notification, all these things away, and fully concentrate on your studies. Finally, this is very important. You have to start studying. All the other tips will be waste if you don't start studying. Sometimes you feel I am very much lagging behind. I am not like my friend. He has completed 3 chapters, 4 chapters, or he is well ahead of me. But don't think like that. You have to start studying today itself. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. Don't think this material I don't have, that reference book I don't have. You just start with what you have and do what you can today. Some people dream of accomplishing great things. Others stay awake and make it happen. The pain you feel today is the strength you will feel tomorrow. For every challenge encountered, there is opportunity for growth. So you should have a healthy, calm, stress-free mind, and you just start studying and start today. Start learning from today. So I hope you enjoyed watching and you have decided to do something new. Study well and make your parents, teachers, school and our nation proud. Thank you. Thank you very much.